Budget-friendly gourmet, elevating your RV cooking game. Gone are the days when RV camping meals meant settling for less than inspiring dishes. It's time to revolutionize your culinary journey on the road, turning your RV kitchen into a haven of gourmet delights that don't break the bank. Welcome to the era of budget-friendly gourmet, where quality, taste, and affordability meet the open road. The art of simple ingredients. The secret to gourmet RV cooking lies in the simplicity and versatility of your ingredients. Opt for fresh, local produce whenever possible. Farmers markets and roadside stands are your best friends, offering flavors that pack a punch without the hefty price tag. Herbs and spices are your allies in transforming simple dishes into culinary masterpieces. A dash of smoked paprika, a sprinkle of fresh basil, or a hint of cumin can elevate even the most basic ingredients. Protein power, quality over quantity. When it comes to proteins, think quality over quantity. A smaller portion of a well-chosen cut can provide more satisfaction and flavor than larger amounts of lesser quality. Consider alternative protein sources like lentils, chickpeas, and quinoa, which are not only budget-friendly but also add a nutritious twist to your meals. The magic of one-pot wonders. Embrace the magic of one-pot meals. Not only do they save on gas or electricity, but they also minimize cleanup, a precious commodity in the compact space of an RV kitchen. Dishes like hearty stews, flavorful curries, and rustic pasta can all be cooked in a single pot, with each ingredient lending its unique note to a symphony of flavors. Elevating breakfasts. Start your day on a gourmet note without the gourmet price tag. A simple frittata can be a canvas for whatever veggies you have on hand, making for a nutritious and filling breakfast. Or indulge in homemade granola, combining oats, nuts, and dried fruits for a customizable, budget-friendly breakfast treat. Lunches that impress. For lunches that impress without stress, think wraps, salads, and cold pasta. Use leftover proteins to whip up a gourmet wrap with a touch of aioli or hummus. Salads can be a creative playground. Mix greens with seasonal fruits, a sprinkle of nuts, and a drizzle of balsamic glaze for a refreshing midday meal. Dinner, a culinary adventure. Dinner is where you can truly let your culinary creativity shine. Experiment with themes. A Mexican night with homemade tacos and fresh salsa, or an Italian evening featuring a simple, yet delicious spaghetti aglio e olio. The key is in the freshness and combination of flavors, not in expensive or exotic ingredients. Desserts to dream about. Who says gourmet desserts require a professional kitchen? Indulge in simple pleasures like grilled peaches with a dollop of yogurt or a classic s'more with a gourmet twist. Think dark chocolate and artisanal marshmallows. These small upgrades can turn a basic dessert into a luxurious treat. The joy of batch cooking. Embrace the joy of batch cooking. Preparing meals in larger quantities can save both time and money, allowing you to enjoy your adventures without constant kitchen duties. Dishes like chili, soups, and casseroles are perfect for making in bulk and reheating for a no-fuss gourmet meal. Stocking your pantry. A well-stocked pantry is the backbone of budget-friendly gourmet cooking. Essentials like olive oil, balsamic vinegar, a variety of spices, and canned legumes can be the foundation of countless dishes. Investing in these staples means you're always ready to whip up a meal that's both satisfying and sophisticated. The benefit of being prepared. Preparation is your secret weapon. Before hitting the road, plan your meals, prep ingredients, and ensure you have everything you need. This not only saves time but also prevents the temptation of eating out, keeping your budget in check and your meals delightful. Gourmet snacking on the go. Don't forget about snacks. Homemade trail mix, energy bars, and fresh fruit can be both a treat and a budget-friendly way to keep hunger at bay. These snacks offer the perfect balance of indulgence and nutrition, keeping you fueled for your adventures. The art of beverage pairing. Elevate your meals with thoughtful beverage pairings. This doesn't mean expensive wines or gourmet coffees. Even simple, well-chosen pairings can enhance a meal. Think iced herbal teas with lunch, a robust coffee with your morning pastry, or a glass of your favorite wine with dinner, selected from a local vineyard you've explored along your travels. Creating ambience. Finally, never underestimate the power of ambience. A simple table setting, a few candles, or some soft music can transform your RV dining area into a gourmet restaurant on wheels. It's these small touches that turn a meal into an experience, proving that luxury isn't about the price tag but the attention to detail. The ultimate reward, shared memories. The ultimate reward of budget-friendly gourmet RV cooking isn't just in the savings or the flavors, it's in the memories you create. Sharing a beautifully prepared meal under the stars, surrounded by nature and loved ones, is an experience that transcends the monetary value. It's about enriching your life and those of your companions with moments of joy, laughter, and culinary delight. In the end, elevating your RV cooking game to gourmet levels on a budget is about creativity, preparation, and a willingness to explore the vast palette of flavors the world has to offer. It's a testament to the fact that with a little ingenuity, the open road can be the gateway to a world of culinary adventures that don't have to cost a fortune. So, fire up your RV stove and let the journey to gourmet bliss begin.